Another beautiful experience I right now remember, this is the experience of Dr. KBR Prasad sir. Most of you would have seen him. He puts the mic in front of Bhagwan. He used to put the mic. Even now he takes care of the mics there. He was telling me this, when this was in early 70s, when he was at Indian Institute of Science as a professor there. He was also the convener of Karnataka State Samiti at that point of time. So he used to walk behind Bhagwan whenever Bhagwan had come to Vrindavan. So it seems, it so happened that Swami had finished the Sai Ram Shat Darshan, went back into the old bungalow and looked at KBR Prasad sir and said, see, an old lady supported and being led by a young lady will be in the crowd, get them inside, they are VIPs. Now, before he could take any further instruction, Swami went in. This man was in shivers. Now, there will be so many old ladies being led by young ladies. Now, who is a VIP? Who is this old lady being led by a young lady who are VIPs and they have to be brought inside the bungalow there? So he was wondering like this. Any case, Swami's order, so he started, because all devotees were going back, there was a crowd. So he started walking back from the mandir, crossed the hostel, crossed Saraswati statue. He was reaching the gate. He was thinking, I'll stand at the gate and keep watching. Who is going? Suddenly he finds a student comes running to him, tells, sir, Swami has told that right now as I am telling you, in front of us there will be an old lady being supported by a young lady. Those two have to be brought inside. Right? And those two people were actually the then mother and wife of the then collector of Anantapur. But then see the boy's running time, their walking time, his walking time, everything is in his control. Really, do we feel that we are doing something? Really, the more I start thinking about this, the more we tend to feel, what are we doing? Where are we the doers, in fact? In fact, if you see the Holy Man and Psychiatrist book towards the end, there's a beautiful conversation that Samuel Sandwich has written. He writes it as Swami and devotee. Probably it is with him. Wherein Swami told him, tells the devotee, there are three types of devotees who come to me. One who is only after my physical presence, who craves for my physical presence and all the time is running after my physical presence, physical body. The second is one who knows I am everywhere, but he still wants a physical interaction. And the third are the type of devotees who feel me, live with me all the time. They are not bothered about the physical body. And then Swami goes on to say, it is not for you to decide into which category you should belong to. Then this devotee asks, you can read it, it is there in Holy Man and Psychiatrist. Then what am I supposed to do, Swami? As a devotee, what am I supposed, if I don't have a choice of which devotee category I should belong to, what am I supposed to do? Swami says, why do you think you are doing? That is your mistake. That is your mistake. So I think that is the path that he leads us on. He starts with a relationship and he lovingly leads us on to a realization that he alone is the doer and not us.